Crypto billionaire 69. Yeah, so if you guys watched the last video, to sum it up, I'm going to be focusing on my other YouTube channel much more. So that means I'll be focusing less on crypto in the near future. Because I really need to expand business, and it's hard to do that if you have your focus spread out upon multiple different things, multiple different opportunities. So I love doing this stuff. I love teaching you guys, and I love talking to you guys, getting to know who you are. I genuinely do, but I just simply have to prioritize. And I know that crypto will always be around, but this other YouTube opportunity won't. So I'm gonna have to do that. But I still will be making videos and everything. I'll still be coming on, teaching you guys, going live whenever I want to. It might not be an everyday sort of thing, but it'll just be whenever I feel like it. So, that being said, I have decided to make the course 50% off. Go and get it right now. If you have been waiting to get it right now. 50% off. All right, it's 50% off. It's $400. It used to be $800, but now it's $400. And it is worth, if you have more than $400 in the market, this is the best investment you can possibly do in order to gain the information you need to know in order to scale out at the top, okay? I tell you a lot, okay? I teach you a lot in this course, and it's the only course you'll ever need. So, that being said, yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. Have a great day. And just want to hop back on and let you guys know, courses are 50% off. So go and get it. If you have been waiting, now is the time. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video, whenever that might be. I don't know. It could be today. It could be tomorrow. Could be next week. Who knows, man? Whenever big things happen in the market and I start hearing stuff, then I always, normally make a video, just because it's like everyone needs to know the information, because there's a lot of false information out there, and I just come with the price action and just the price action only. So, along with some news and market sentiment, I'm still here for you guys. I just won't, just doing it whenever I want to, whenever I feel like it. So, that being said, Crypto Billionaire 69. Peace, my beautiful friends. Get the course, 50% off. Go get it right now. Links in the description.